making any weird noises.
Today we are finally getting rid of this monster truck fitment on my G87 M2. This thing is literally a freaking monster truck, bro. Like literally. So today we are getting that fixed. What's the deal, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. As you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, we are lowering my M2 on KW hash, man. I have KW hash right here on the M5. Amazing. So to put them on the M2, great blessing. Thank God. Woke up another 24. Let's go ahead. Let's head to the shop and get this stuff done. Almost let me forget we needed a cold start. I can't wait till the new exhaust we got gets here for this thing. Doesn't sound bad, but I want a new exhaust. All right, guys, we have made it here to the shop where we are gonna get our M2 lowered. Yes, this is our M2. We are family. I'm driving it, y'all experiencing it with me. We doing it all together. Anyway, man, M2 is about to get lowered. We have made it to the shop. Nate's gonna go ahead, he's gonna pull it in, get everything done, get everything how it needs to be, and we are gonna be good, bro. I'm so excited for this thing to be lowered. Monster truck fitment, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how it's done as well. I'm gonna explain to y'all what to do, how to do it. Very easy. We're gonna knock out one side, then I'm gonna record the other side. Pretty much. So, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get this M2 pulled in. All right, y'all, we've been here all of 5 minutes. We got the car already up in the air, bro. Seeing the M2 up in the air like this is actually kind of crazy. Getting the jack stands on. We're gonna make sure this car is equally up in the air. We're gonna do the front first, then the back. Y'all know how this go, man. So just keep enjoying the video, and I'm gonna show y'all step by step. It is the best way to do it with the jacks like this. Like, obviously with the car on jack stands, it's gonna make everything a lot easier. All right, guys, starting off. You want to come over here and remove the EDCs, pop them out, pop this piece off. That will leave the top nut free for the strut. All right, I know y'all can't really see that well back here, but all wires and cables are removed from the strut. And I know there is a leveling sensor as well that we want. Oh, it's only on the driver's side? Okay, perfect. There's no leveling sensor on the passenger side, so don't look for that. But all wires disconnected, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna jack this up, loosen this, and all that, and then we'll be good. All right, y'all, we are doing the sway bar in link, which, remember, the nut and socket has to go on the same way it came off. So the end link is up here, boom, and on the other side. Perfect. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start off with the rear. Go ahead and take the wheel off. Bang. All right, so since we are on the driver's side, you do have a leveling sensor on the side. We're gonna go ahead, pop all these out of place. These right here, as y'all can see. This just slide out with, like, literally with your finger. Boom. As well. Boom. Then you got this plug right here. Why can't I see? There we go. That comes out super easy. No, it's okay. All right, y'all. So the leveling sensor is all the way back here. I don't know if y'all can see my thing. It's right there. And it's gonna take a 10 mil, which we'll worry about that. Actually, no, we need to get that off now. So unscrew pretty easily. Need the 16 and the 21.
All right, I got an 18 and a 21.
Is it an 18? Is that what we're using? Yeah, 18 and 21. You're right.
Got your ass.
You did, because earlier.
Because you got mine.
Yeah. Alright, I can take that.
Hey, if you finish your side before me, bro, then you win the race.
I'm on a mission, bro. Oh, you didn't give me the what's the name?
Oh.
18 socket.
You're right, you're right.
Perfect. Perfect. All right, y'all, the way these screws come out, you want to put them in the way they come out. Do not touch this bolt right here. This one right here, don't touch it. Only touch this one. Which that is gonna hold outside. Boom, that's gonna hold this in place. Put that on.
Alright. We coming up slowly on this front, right?
Okay.
Just to get the wheel off the ground.
That's how the bolt goes in. You gotta make sure you keep it that way. I'm gonna switch now to go to this back side. And this back side is on really tight, but essentially do the same thing you just did. Go right here. This one is on way tighter. Nate, we thought the other one was on tight. No, we thought the other one was on tight. This one's on way tighter. We're not finishing by 2 because you wasted.
Not with that mindset.
You wasted 40. You wasted 40
I'm
minutes. You wasted 40 minutes of time.
That time was not wasted. That was time wasted.
Oh crap, y'all! I forgot. Need to remove this too. All right, you gotta remove the exhaust. This one?
No.
This one?
I found it.
I'd hope so.
As long as I finish my side before you.
Yeah, it's not a race, bruh. Take this off, put it somewhere safe. All right, we're gonna go up top. And we're gonna remove the EDC wire that she clicks out. Click once and then pull.
I pinched it.
Oh, I got it.
You gotta finish the job by 2 o'clock.
Yeah. There's 3 of these bolts, by the way. Perfect. Also guys, for the front, I forgot to tell y'all, when y'all get the strut out, y'all have to hammer it and make sure you show them the marking. Make sure you mark it to where the last one was. But it's all pretty simple. Remove the EDC 18 mil top nut. I'll link a video for the front, but I'm showing y'all the back.
That I'm gonna have all week. I'm gonna cherish it.
It was very fun installing the springs.
Yeah. And installing them with my buddy.
With my buddy. All right, y'all, so we just finished the rear. I showed y'all how to take that off. It's literally the same process to get it back on. Oh my goodness, guys, I cannot wait to show y'all the car. It's gonna look so freaking good lower. Look at this thing. Look at this thing.
And what else? The gloss. Plastic is the base layer, and then gloss on top.
Right here.
Hold on. I don't
Right
have
here.
I don't have to use your tools.
Alright, fuck you.
I
use my 17. No.
Are we finally done? Alright. Where is...
Holy shit!
Said torque it to 90? That's what it's about to go to.
109.
Shit, we meet in the middle instead of that 100.
109.
Yeah, 109.
Foot-pounds.
Shit. 109 foot-pounds.
Alright, y'all, the G87. The G87 is lowered. Holy moly. They look good. Look, got Nate smiling in that boy. You're clear. Dude, holy cow. And it's perfectly low, like perfectly low, bro. KW has. Where's this guy? Hey, where's this guy going? This guy's still in my car. Oh my goodness, y'all. Dude, it looks so much freaking better lower. Holy cow. I love it. All right, y'all, enjoy this B-roll. All right, guys, we finally got the M2 home next to the M-Feezy, and now that it has settled, bro, it's a lot freaking lower, like a lot lower, like a lot lower. Like earlier, it was I remember I told you I was a 3-finger gap. It is now a 2-finger gap, bro, on all sides, 2 fingers. That is literally crazy, bro, and it looks so good. Look at this. Come on now, look at that sight right there. Oh my freaking goodness, bro. Unfreaking match. Both cars are amazing. I love both. I literally can't even pick one. Like, they're both. Look at this. You got ooh wee. Then you got ooh wee. Hold on. Honorable Sino. I need to vacuum out these cars real quick. But that's gonna be the end of the video, man. I freaking love this G87. Like, oh my goodness, bro. This car handles so much differently, has done so well. We're gonna go ahead and knock out a POV drive in this car. We're gonna get everything done, but I wanna clean it up a little bit first, and then we're gonna get everything done. This is the passenger side, because I don't think I showed y'all the passenger side. Oh my goodness, buddy. So freaking low, looks so freaking good. Had to cut the grass, that's why there's grass all over the cars. But anyway, man, it's gonna be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. And if you like the video, I can post more and do more cool mods. Bye.